assembly, presentation, preparation for that presentation, and further together when the words which are important to us always heard by us. The words which are not important to us always masked. Words and sounds are masked which are not necessary to us. Sounds which are necessary to us, wherever you are, it is not a point that always towards you and yours, that words are yours, and you will understand that words and you will react to that words, and those words always inspire you. So at that time I remember well, I am completely writing down each and every point, including full stop and comma, for some times. 100% I am not listening. I'm not concentrating. Is not. I'm not listening. That thing also there. So our surroundings are like that. In the system, we are together working, and so then if these two activities you are not listening also concentrating, you are completely aware of that what is the topic of heading of topic, what is the aim after the topic, and which subject related to, and you are writing down each and every point in front of your lecturers. These two activities are, number one thing is, you are not at all 100%, you are not listening, you are attentive and concentrating, but you are not towards to the subjective matter. Which subject? First question will come. Later, you forgot. But your concentration is there. Number two activity, you are completely first bench students and writing down each and every point. These two activities you are doing together, often, once in a while. Your concentration is something else, not something else. Your concentration is, your presence is, you are 100% fully concentrated, aware of those circumstances, and you are doing such act. If these two activities possible to any person completely, we will further classify. Sometimes I will concentrate 100% and I will write down. Sometimes I will be there, I am concentrating, not that thing, not that lecture, not that subject. These two things alternatively. I am proposing this theory alternatively. You are 100% available to your lectures, what they are telling, and you are receiving and writing down. You are sometimes memorizing important points, and again you are underlining, noting down. Sometimes you are 100% there, your concentration is there, but not towards the subject. So again, you are concentrating on the subject, you are writing down, you are marking, and you are very fastly writing all this what he is telling, and you find to know, you notice that you read well yesterday about that topic, and you are ready for the questions asking by the lecturers, doubt section. Next section is you are 100% there, but you are not towards subject. Your concentration is there, but not towards subject. These two activities simultaneously, one by one, when recycling throughout the lecture. This is not possible because you will do one thing only at a time. If somebody is pushing you to do something else, you won't agree. You won't do that thing. You are simply fully aware, 100% there, concentrate not towards subject. That much you do. Even some forces comes to you to do something, to write down, to listen, to observe. You won't do such a. You are writing 100% what lectures telling to you, line by line and paragraph by paragraph, topic by topic, completing all section of that subject. Somebody pushes to you, you won't agree. At that time your mindset is to completely write down, listen and concentrate. Not a single movement, you are not that. That is your subject. What is that subject? The complete subject. So you won't agree that time also. So this gives a clue to proper attention, the presence, concentration, awareness, consciousness, and the presence of mind, and the situation now, and everything. That is you. So you will doing so many items according to your timetable, your consciousness, your mental set of mentality. You will be not same. You will be same, not same at all the time.